Alright, listen, if you're able to do between 10 to 20 push-ups, then stop doing these push-ups. If you guys want to keep getting better, stronger, and stimulate more muscle growth, then you're gonna have to change the exercise. You have to pick a different variation to help you stimulate more muscle growth and build your strength. Now listen, by all means, I'm not saying you guys should stop doing push-ups completely. In fact, it's a basic calisthenics exercise and you need to keep doing it even when you're at a higher level and advanced. Even until today, I'm still doing the regular push-ups, okay? I go for hundreds of push-ups sometimes. The point is, it shouldn't be the only exercise you depend on for the rest of your life, okay? Most of the people get stuck and hit a plateau and they stop progressing because they only stick to the push-ups. They don't change it up, they don't try different variations, okay? So remember, the only way to grow is you have to do something different, something new. So I'm gonna teach you a couple ways you can start doing that. So the first way, okay, you're gonna go from the regular push-ups, but what you wanna do, you wanna bring your arms closer, and we call that a diamond push-up, okay? This is great for the triceps, and this eventually helps you get to the one-arm push-up. You guys see what I mean? Now the second way you can change it up is by having your arms wider. So this is a wide push-up, okay? This is great for the chest, helps you get a good stretch on the chest. And because it stretches the chest out, it helps you stimulate more muscle growth in your chest. Now, when you get comfortable with the wide push-ups, what you can do is you can start leaning onto one side. So something like this, okay? Until you can get your arms completely straight, like this. This is a very difficult exercise. It's called the archer push-ups. It's kind of like a unilateral exercise, which means it works on one side of the body. And this is more difficult than you guys think. In fact, this is the best exercise you can do to learn the one-arm push-ups, okay? Because you're putting more weight onto one side, meaning once you strengthen that side, doing one-arm push-ups becomes very easy, all right? Another thing you guys should start doing is some explosive push-ups, all right? So start pushing up explosively until you're able to lift your palms off the ground. And finally, one more variation which I spoke about in my previous video, and this helps you build superhuman strength. And this is the pseudo push-up. So you want to rotate your arms to the side, okay? Protract your scapula, rotate your arms, making sure your biceps are facing forward, okay? Flex your core, engage them, and lean forward. Now start doing push-up in that position. Now this builds insane strength in your shoulders, which helps you learn difficult and more complex skills like the handstand push-ups, one-arm push-ups, or flange progressions, which most people are trying to achieve. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. Also make sure you subscribe for upcoming videos if you want to level up. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.